In this guide, I'll show you step by step how to add a music bot to your Discord server so you can play songs and enjoy music with your community. First, open Discord and make sure you are logged into your account. Next, click on the server where you want to add the music bot. After that, click on the server name at the top of the screen to open the drop-down menu. From the menu, click on Server Settings. Now, scroll down and click on App Directory. In the search bar, type the name of a music bot, for example, Greenbot. Click on the bot from the results to open its page. Then, click on Add App. Select the server where you want to install the bot. Click on Continue. After that, click on Authorize to give the bot the required permissions. Once the bot is added, go back to your server and open Voice Channel. Now type Play and select the command. Enter the song, name, and artist, and the bot will start playing music in your voice channel. And that's it. You've successfully added a music bot to your Discord server and can now enjoy music anytime with your friends.